Hey everyone, welcome to my side talk video. Today we're diving into a super common habit that little pop will either love or hate. Yep, cracking your knuckles. But does cracking your knuckles really can cause arthritis? Let's find out. Cracking knuckles is a very common behavior in which many individuals take part. People are too comfortable with the extremely annoying and unique pop sound. While cracking knuckles is common, there is a general perception that it can lead to the development of arthritis, specifically osteoarthritis. But is that actually true? Here's what really happens when you crack your knuckles. You're basically bending the fingers joints in such a way that they make a loud bang. This process takes place in the finger synovial joints, which consist of structures filled with synovial fluid. When the joint is stretched or pulled, the space that exists inside the joint capsules grows with the amount, which reduces the intra-articular pressure. That reduces the pressure and it causes bubbles of gas, mainly nitrogen, to form in the synovial fluid. This is called cavitation, and when those bubbles collapse or burst, you get that satisfying pop sound. Now let's talk about science. Is there actual proof that knuckle cracking causes arthritis? The answer is no. A recent study published in the Journal of the American Board of Family Medicine explored patients aged 50 to 89 and found no significant difference in hand osteoarthritis incidence between often knuckle crackers and non-crackers. And then there's the famous Dr. Donald Unger. He cracked only the knuckles of one hand for over 50 years. Yes, 50. In the end, no difference between the two hands. No arthritis. Myth totally busted. However, while it doesn't cause arthritis, cracking your knuckles might have some minor side effects. Some studies show that continuous knuckle cracking can result in less grip strength and minor hand swelling, but other research disagrees. Even that's not confirmed. So what's the judgment? Cracking your knuckles doesn't cause arthritis. The myth probably stuck around because individuals misunderstood the sound created and are repeatedly warned, especially by the elderly, or because it just seems weird. There is no reason to be concerned. Cracking your knuckles is safe, so pop away if it's feel good, just maybe not during a serious meeting. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know what other science myth you want me to explore next. Thanks for watching!